Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Super Fortune token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Super Fortune incubated by Menta Labs is an power prediction market engine that blends Chinese metaphysics with crypto markets to identify price patterns. GUA is the native utility token that is used for unlocking details fortune reports, purchasing lucky charms such as fortune catalysts in app payments currency. As the first metaphysics project in Web3, Super Fortune has partnered with professional fortune tellers to empower features like cyber incense burning and guardian's request. Super Fortune core features include personal future testing, crypto assets on specific CA fortune testing, past life connection between two Twitter users. Super Fortune token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies 45 million Super Fortune token. Super Fortune token will list on Binance Alpha Exchange. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.